Hello everyone, today I'd like to introduce you to an excellent Axure data visualization prototype template and widget library. This product is primarily used in scenarios requiring data visualization, such as data screens, dashboards, data statistics, etc. It consists of 6 parts. Firstly, cases. These are templates for major application scenarios of data visualization. For instance, this is a network communication system. Then this is a tourism dynamic system. Next is a medical insurance monitoring platform. And this is a big data monitoring platform. In the template section, you can find different framework templates. You can use them to design your prototypes. In the login template section, you can see various styles of login templates. In the components section, you can find a wide range of components. These components can be used as widgets in the Axure widget library. Simply drag and drop to use them. As you can see, these components are dynamic and feature beautiful colors. In the statistical chart section, you can find stunning statistical charts. Lastly, in the mobile template section, you can find templates for mobile devices. These templates can be used for mobile design. Using the templates mentioned above in Axure is also very simple. You just need to make modifications to the templates. As you can see, I've modified the title here. The link to this product is here. Please proceed to purchase if you're interested.